Oh, what a wonder is a ketchup bottle. First, none will come out, and then a lot will. I miss my dad with all his little one-liners that I love. Subscribe to my channel, and every Friday you'll get a brand new low sodium video to help you keep that sodium low. I'm a Heinz girl. I like the flavor and consistency of Heinz ketchup. They have the no salt added ketchup at my price store. It's in aisle 21 with all the rest of the condiments. It's on the top shelf. It sort of looks like it's upside down. The regular Heinz has got 160 milligrams of sodium per tablespoon. The no salt added variety has less than 5 milligrams per tablespoon. If the ketchup you like to use does not have a no salt added variety, you just might want to try my no salt added Heinz. We like it very much. We like the flavor. It is quite good. Different ketchups have different flavors. So check mine out. Check out my no salt added Heinz. It is mighty fine, mighty good ketchup. We will be making sauces. We will use it as it is for our French fries. We will add some ketchup to our meatballs, meatloaf. We will dip our food in it. Very good eating. So come with me. Join me in our low sodium ketchup. I'm happy with my choice and sure would not mind sharing it with you.